welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Samsung Photos not syncing to cloud. For that, the first thing that you can try and do is head over to your quick settings and switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data. You can also try toggling airplane mode on and off on your device. If that does not work, what you can do is if you're using Google Photos for your uploading, then you can long press on Google Photos. From here, what you can do is tap on the eye icon, scroll down, hit storage, clear the cache of Google Photos and try again. If the issue still persists, you can try resyncing your account manually. For that, head over to your quick settings and then head over to settings on your device, head over to search and then search for manage accounts. Tap on manage accounts, tap on manage accounts again. From here, choose the primary account that you are using to store your photos. From here, simply hit sync account and try again. After that, what you can do is simply head over to your quick settings one more time and then tap on the power icon, restart your device, after which your photos should start syncing. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.